Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn violin online. First, you'll want to select a good online course or platform that suits beginners. Next, ensure you have all the necessary equipment, including a violin, bow, rosin, and a comfortable shoulder rest. Establishing a consistent practice routine, even for short periods daily, is crucial for building muscle memory and making steady progress on your musical journey. Once you have your instrument, focus on the fundamentals. Proper posture and how you hold the violin are essential for comfort and sound production. Dedicate time to mastering basic bowing techniques, ensuring a smooth and even tone. Simultaneously, work on accurate finger placement to produce clear notes. Consistent practice of scales and simple melodies will build your foundational skills. Learning an instrument can present challenges, but don't get discouraged. When facing a difficult piece, break it down into smaller, manageable sections and practice each part slowly. Recording yourself playing can provide valuable insight into your progress and highlight areas for refinement. Joining online communities of fellow learners offers a great way to share experiences, get advice, and stay motivated on your journey. As you advance, consider supplementing your online learning with occasional lessons from an in-person teacher. Their personalized feedback can be invaluable for refining your technique. Don't limit yourself to one style. Explore various musical genres to broaden your repertoire and keep your learning exciting. And speaking of valuable resources, there's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep practicing and enjoy the beautiful music you create.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.